Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to be linking our MetaTrader 5 mobile to our MetaTrader 5 on the PC. So if you've been trading on your phone and you want to connect it to your PC, this is how you go about it. First of all, you have to go over to your browser if you don't have MetaTrader 5 yet and type your MetaTrader 5. So once you type your MetaTrader 5, you're going to see, okay, once you type your MetaTrader 5, you hit enter. After you hit enter, you're going to see this first option here where it says download the MetaTrader 5 uh, platform for free. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you the type of system you're using. If you're using Windows, so I'm currently using Windows, I'm going to click on download for Windows because this is what I'm using. So if you're using Mac, you download for Mac. If you're using for Linux, you download for Linux. So I'll click on download for Windows. Now I'll wait for it to download. Once it download, I'm going to see something here. If you look here, you're going to see that it's downloading. So once you click on it, you see that it's moving. So it's entering my system. Once it's done, I'm going to click on it so that you see the other options that it's going to give me. So this is not supposed to take time because this is about 22 MB. So if you have network, it's going to be faster. So my network is pretty good, so it should be done, or should I say is okay. So it's done. It has entered my system. So now I will click on it so that I can install it on my system. So it's going to bring up this interface that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, no. So I'll click on yes because I want it to install. So it will take small time for it to install into my system. Once it's done installing, I will open it and you see the next interface. So it's about to install. So once you click that, you click here, which is next, click on it. So I want to install it into my system. So I'll click next. As you can see, it's installing. Let's wait for it to install. This is actually going to take some time, so you wait for it till it gets to the end. So the better network you have, the better or the faster it will be for you. So just wait for it while it gets to the end and we'll continue from there. So it will open up the next window for us once it gets to the end. As you can see, it said congratulations, we are waiting for you. So it's done installing right now. So what next? Once you're in, for you to connect your accounts, you're going to come over here that has files. You click on it. Once you click on it, you scroll down to open an account. Open an account here. You're going to click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to look for the broker. Over here you can type the broker that you're using. So I'm using Deriv. I'm going to type Deriv. So once I type Deriv here, you're going to see find your company. You click on it. So it's going to bring out different lists of Deriv. So this is the one I'm looking for, Deriv Limited, deriv.com. So I'm going to click on it. So now once you select it, you click on next. So you're going to click on next once you're done. So once I'm in, you're going to see open a demo account or open a real account for live trade, connect with the existing trade account. So this is what I want to do here. I'll select it. Now I need to get my login, my password and the server. So I'm going to get my login and password from the Deriv I'll be using on my phone. So I'm going to enter it here. Once you are done with this, once you are done filling this, you are going to click on finish. So once you're done entering your login, your password and the rev, I'm selecting this because this is going to be a demo. So you click on finish. So it's going to log me in. So that is it, guys. As simple as that. I've been able to log in to my deriv right now. I've been able to log into my deriv. So from here, I can continue trading. That is all for the video. If you find it helpful, guys, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up so that you see my next video. And if you're interested in learning more on how to use MetaTrader 5 on a system, consider subscribing. See you next time. Bye.